guys, welcome back to another episode of the 8-9 Garage. Today we're going to be working on my dad's, I think it's a 2017 Escape, and we're going to be just changing the oil for him. The only thing I've ever done to this vehicle is I put a new battery in it for him. So this is fresh to me. I'm going to be rolling with this Champ Labs. It uses the same filter as the 2.5 and the 2.3, and this here's a 1.5, and I also made sure, before I knew what the motor was in this thing, I also made sure it also fits a 2.0. All I knew was an EcoBoost, but this filter will also fit the 2.0. My personal favorite oil as of late has been the full synthetic SuperTech. It's under 20 bucks for 5 quarts. To be perfectly honest with you, I don't even know how much oil this thing takes. I'm going to be looking that up too. In fact, I'm going to figure that out before I get under there. So I'm going to tell you right now how much it takes. Can't be 4, can't be 4.5, can't be 5. 4.3 quarts. All right. There's a bunch of Torx head stuff up in here, and near as I can tell, they're going to be a T30. So let's zip these out real quick. There's one missing right here. Okay, we got a spot. There's our drain. Where the hell's the filter at, though? Filter could be up top. Oh, no, it's right there. That's got a little bit of a leak to it. I'm gonna guess there's probably a gasket in that sandwich plate that needs to get replaced. But here's our plug right here. It looks like you can get to the plug. Nope, you can't. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the job here, taking this out of here. Looks like there's a bolt missing right there too. Yeah, there's one missing right there. I think this is all that's left to holding this up. That thing got up there. I didn't know we're off the ground over here. So now that we got this up in the air, it's important for me to also note to you that there is a block keeping it from rolling. We're going to pause for just a second here. I hope you're finding this useful for yourself. Please consider subscribing right now. I'm constantly adding stuff. At least once a week is my average. So hit subscribe. I'd already looked this up, but it does tell us right there that this takes 520. Jack stand. 2 jacks. I'm confident we're going nowhere. If this is like most Fords, it's a 15, and it's not. It's a 13 probably. All right, it's a 13. Okay. It's pretty black. kind of let that do its thing. Oh, okay. Somebody's left that loose, and that might be why. We've got us a good amount of oil right there. Oh. Or the fact that it drains right down it. I'm putting the drain plug back in because we're done. It's done dripping. That is a messy location. All right, I'm gonna borrow some of that to go around this. There's probably someone gonna be out there that says I should put oil in this filter first, but no, not where it's sitting. There's not a chance in hell that wouldn't leak all over the place. As soon as I get this tight, we're gonna spray this with brake cleaner and just keep our eye on it. Well, I'm gonna keep my eye on it for a while. Just make sure it's not leaking. And in the meantime, I do believe I'm gonna find me an oil filter wrench for that. So as you saw, I just put that on by hand. I suggest that you use a rag or something to just get a little extra grip so you're not sliding on it, especially if you just touched oil. This gets it tight, but not too tight. That does look pretty fresh. So that's good news. I'm pretty dang sure that was leaking out of the filter. The gasket was not seated all the way because I was able to remove that just by hand, and after it's been on there a while, it usually sticks on there pretty good from the heat cycles of the motor. So hopefully we're all bueno now. And we did get this drain plug back in when the camera was not pointed that direction. Just don't over tighten it. That's my only suggestion to you. Don't know what the torque spec is on it. I'm going to back this jack out that you guys are stuck to and put the panel back up, dump the oil in it. We're home free. Yeah, we're missing two screws all together, both in the middle. Let's put this back the way it was exactly, and we'll try to get some of those for my dad. All right, and this panel back here also goes underneath this and is held up by the same screws. All right, under the hood we are. That'll do the trick. All right. Not too sure. I'm not sure how we're supposed to. Let's see. All right, 4.3 quarts. Getting pretty close. A little more. I'm gonna go just a touch more. That's, I don't know if you can see, that's our quart line right there. I'm getting this as level as I can right here. That's roughly 0.3, but I'm just gonna go just a touch more. I think I'm gonna call that a good one right there. All right, so I'm gonna take this out now. Lid back on. Let's go scope on this. I'm pretty sure we're gonna be just fine. Yeah. All right, well, that's the way you change it. Now let's get in here. We're gonna start it up and we're gonna reset the thing. I've never done that either, so we're gonna go ahead and push the arrow button to go to the left. This arrow button here. We're gonna go down to settings, vehicle, oil life reset, and then we're holding the OK button and it's reset. Okay. This should go without saying, but after you've done this, you got to start it up and let the pump pull in a little bit of oil, shut it back off, let it sit 15-20 minutes, and then check your dipstick. If you're lucky like me, I got it right in between first shot. If it's too low, add a little. If it's too high, oops, it's your choice. Drain some or live with it. I will remove this and put him a new one up here. Thanks again for watching another episode of 89 Garage. Hope this helped you out. It was new to me, but any vehicle is very close. Just some of them you got to take some crap off to get to. Take care.